Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in ClickUp. If you've accidentally deleted a task, list, or any other item in ClickUp, don't worry, everything goes to a trash folder first, and recovering it is actually quite simple. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the account where the deleted items were originally located, as you'll need proper access to retrieve them. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It's usually a small circular image or your initials. Click on that profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, locate and click on Trash. This is ClickUp's dedicated space where all your deleted items are temporarily stored before permanent deletion. Think of it as a safety net that gives you a chance to recover anything you might have removed by mistake. After clicking on Trash, you'll be taken to a page that displays all the items you've deleted from your workspace. This includes tasks, lists, folders, and even entire spaces depending on what's been removed. Take a moment to browse through this list carefully. You'll notice that each item shows details like its name, the date it was deleted, and where it originally belonged in your workspace structure. Now find the specific item you want to restore. Once you've located it, look to the right side of that item's row. You'll see 3 dots. This is the Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots to open up a small menu with available options for that deleted item. From this menu, simply click on Restore. The item will immediately be moved back to its original location in your ClickUp workspace, exactly where it was before you deleted it. And that's it. You've successfully restored your deleted item in ClickUp. The item should now be back in its original spot, complete with all its data, comments, and attachments intact. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.